So to finish off today, Jean-Francois brought down this washer kit, and I thought it's a kind of a nice little kit. Electric windshield washer. Doesn't say whose make it was, nothing. But it's a kind of a dinky little thing. It's a self-contained unit with a pump, and in here, there's a little tiny push button for the washer. It's got a splitter, connector, some wire. They've not been very generous with the wire, but it's also got the washer jets in there. I wonder if they'll fit these holes here. I very much doubt it, but we'll try. And the answer is no. I'm just hoping when the bonnet is down we can get a good enough angle for them to actually reach the windscreen. That might be interesting. We might have to play around with that. I don't know, we'll see. It's now 6 o'clock. What a day. I got the wiring in for that little pump and everything. I didn't show you it really because there was not much to see. It was only a feed off the wiper motor for the positive, and then all the way through the pump and then to ground. You couldn't get simpler than that, could you? However, it doesn't work. Well, it works, but the jets are useless. They only spray on the vents. Well, as you can see here, we've got those nice brass washer jets. They squirt beautifully onto the screen. It looks like on this wiper here, I'm going to have to do something. There's a rivet missing out of here. Oh man, this never stops. I don't know. I don't know how to fix that. Maybe I can just crimp that round a little bit round here. Let's take it off and find out. Well, there you go. That's the best I could do. Just crimp it over. It's nice and solid now. But yeah. But they work. They're not going to clear much snow and ice off the window, let alone rain, but as long as they work, they'll pass.